Welcome to HVAC Master Technologies, your trusted partner for all air conditioning solutions. Today we are going to talk about importance of air quality and AC maintenance. At HVAC Master Technologies, we don't just provide cooling systems, we deliver comfort, healthier air, and peace of mind. Our goal is to ensure every home, office, and commercial space in Ghana enjoys the perfect indoor environment all year round. Did you know that the quality of air in your space can significantly impact your health and comfort? Air conditioners play a major role in improving indoor air quality by filtering out dust, allergens, and other harmful particles. But here is the catch: without proper maintenance, your AC can actually circulate dirt and bacteria, which may lead to respiratory issues and discomfort. That's where HVAC Master Technologies comes in. With our expert servicing and maintenance packages, we ensure your air conditioner works efficiently, keeping your air clean and your energy bills low. To further enhance your indoor air quality, we recommend pairing your air conditioner with devices like air purifiers or humidifiers. Air purifiers remove dust, allergens, and even harmful airborne particles, making them perfect for urban and dusty areas. And if your AC leaves the air too dry, a humidifier can restore the balance, ensuring a comfortable environment for you and your family. Not sure what's best for your space? Don't worry, our team at HVAC Master Technology is here to guide you. We provide free consultations and expert recommendations tailored to your needs. At HVAC Master Technologies, we specialize in professional air conditioner installations for residential, commercial, and industrial spaces, routine servicing to keep your systems running smoothly, comprehensive maintenance plans to extend the lifespan of your AC units, troubleshooting and repairs to solve any issue quickly and efficiently. Our services are designed to save your time, money, and stress. We use only top quality equipment, follow strict industry standards to deliver exceptional results. So, why choose HVAC Master Technologies? 1. Expertise you can trust. Our certified technicians are experienced in handling all brands and models of air conditioners. 2. Timely and reliable service. We value your time and ensure every project is completed promptly. 3. Customer-centric approach. Your satisfaction is our priority. We provide free brand recommendations, on-site assessment, and transparent pricing. 4. Affordable solutions. High-quality service doesn't have to break the bank. Our flexible packages are designed to suit your budget. Don't let poor air quality or malfunctioning ACs disrupt your comfort. Let HVAC Master Technologies handle all your air conditioning needs with professionalism and care. Call us or WhatsApp us today on 0530-122-467. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at HVAC Master Technologies for tips, updates, and exclusive offers. HVAC Master Technologies, where your comfort is our priority. Stay cool, breathe fresh, and enjoy the perfect indoor environment with us.